Welcome student. This is the story of Sahil Banwala. This is the story of Sahil Banwala, an alumni of Satyabharati School, Kakora of KKR, district in Haryana. His father is a farmer and the only bread earner of the family, who always believed that education will transform their lives. From his first day at school, he was very active in both scholastic and co-scholastic. He was especially interested in playing kabaddi and participated in school cluster level and won many prizes. He was also selected in the state level kabaddi team and won gold medal. After passing out of Satyabharati school, he got admission into Saraswati Senior Secondary School Pai. He scored 90% marks in 10th board exam and 84% in 12th grade. Since childhood, he wanted to serve the nation by joining the Indian Air Force. He studied hard towards his goal and appeared for the entrance exam in 2019. In June 2020, he got his selection letter to join the Indian Air Force. Value of the month. Patriotism. Patriotism is the feeling of love and respect for one's country. This feeling always motivates a person to contribute his efforts to the development of nation. It embraces nation's unity and helps in maintaining peace in the nation. A true patriots are known to love their country unconditionally and are proud of it. Every country in the world has its set of patriots. People who are ready to do anything for their country. Teachers should speak to students about the importance of patriotism towards the country. Few importance of patriotism. Patriotism includes the feelings of pride and respecting the value of our nation. Number two, the nation provides us with the sense of identity. It is our it is our moral duty to respect our country and support as responsible citizens. Number three, we should respect our country's rich heritage, culture, traditions. Life skills. Life skill topic collaboration. To be integrated with the Valsava session, collaboration is the ability to work effectively with each other. It creates a culture that values every student's strength and an environment that believes everyone can learn from another. It promotes cooperation and builds confidence. It helps to develop interest and fun in the teaching learning process. It effectively broadens the culture, social and environmental boundaries and helps a child to understand social and environmental concern better. This skill helps students to become critical thinkers, learn to work in a group, and establish a positive classroom environment. It requires facilitations and the opportunities to work in team.